Thank you for joining me on this free workshop. Is Wix right for you? Well, if you're in the predicament wondering if Wix is right for you and you're about to start a web design project, let me explain a couple things about Wix to help you further understand the platform and if it is right for you. Let me first start by saying that Wix has completely evolved. If you happen to know Wix about 2 years ago and maybe you gave it a shot back then, I have multiple testimonies from people that have experienced Wix now and say how amazing the platform has become. So back 2 years ago, Wix was a different company. They didn't have as much functionality, they didn't have as much apps, as much design freedom. Wix now has the ability to truly design any type of website you can imagine. So why did that happen? What happened in that time period? Well, one, Wix started designing a lot of their own in-house apps. Wix Bookings, Wix Stores, Wix Chat, all these different types of apps made by Wix that made the website process much easier to build out. But in addition to that, one of the biggest things that Wix has done at the beginning of 2018 was launch Wix Code. Now, what is Wix Code and why do I stress this so much? Well, Wix Code is a platform on Wix's current HTML editor. And what it does is, don't let the name code frighten you. Wix Code actually makes it very simple and gives a simple user interface for people to actually build complex functionality websites. So if you're trying to build a social network, an online marketplace, any types of blogs or forum websites, any type of social site, any type of membership, paid membership website, this can all be done now because of this Wix Code integration. It makes it really easy for the everyday user, non-technical, non-coding, founder, co-founder, any business owner that wants to build a website with this type of functionality, and they allow you to create databases and custom user input forms and all of these different dynamic pages. And this is just scratching the surface. This is more what they already have on that user interface side of things. But Wix Code, don't get confused, it does give you the ability to code. So with Wix Code, you now have the ability to write your own custom JavaScript, which now opens the world to you when it comes to building your website. So if you're looking from a design and functionality standpoint to if Wix is right for your business, I would highly recommend it now that they've made these amazing changes. You already have that complete design freedom, which if you've used Wix before, you know you have that design freedom. That has always been kind of one of Wix's backbone characteristics, that design freedom to take any element on a page and drag and drop it wherever you want it to be. Now you have the functionality freedom to back that design freedom up. So you've got the design and functionality side of Wix going great. Now, if you're looking for that plus a back office, Wix has that as well. They've got a, not a complex CRM, but they've got a back-end CRM that can store all of your contact information, give some data on those contacts. You can chat with those contacts. And now you have the ability to actually assign membership roles in a website. So if you have certain members that you'd like to participate in a certain membership level, you can assign certain access to pages on the websites for those particular groups of people. So you've got a whole back office. You've got email marketing software called Wix Shoutout. That's their email marketing platform in the back end. You've got SEO to completely maximize your website. I know this is a big thing for a lot of websites out there, but if you're looking for a platform that has SEO up to date and up to standards, Wix has completely evolved. In fact, at Google's I/O conference this year, Google specifically mentioned Wix and how they partnered together to create an awesome SEO platform, really. Because what you can do now in the Wix SEO Wiz, which is their step-by-step customized plan to your website, taking you through each step of building out your SEO, after you go through all those steps and index your website in the Google Search Console, what you can do is you can instantaneously, within 30 seconds, index your full website onto Google's homepage. Onto Google search pages. So what I mean by that is in 30 seconds, your site is on Google. No other platform has ever done that, and Wix has accomplished that. So you back that up with all the SEO work you put in, 301 redirects, internal content, metadata, site tags and keywords, titles, descriptions, all of that, and you mix all of that SEO and you build it out correctly and follow that Wix SEO master plan. Well, bam, you're off to the races and your SEO is going to do fantastic. I know a personal story from one of the Wix design experts that actually outranked Wix for Wix Training NYC was the keyword. So that's just a further example to show what capability you really have in the SEO realm of things on Wix. So we touched SEO, we touched the design and functionality, we touched back office a little bit. You also have, access to all of your Wix apps in your back office. But Wix is truly a platform that has completely evolved itself over the past few years, and I would highly recommend it. I understand I'm a Wix guy. I'm a Wix design expert, a Wix certified trainer. I had the awesome opportunity to speak at the first ever WixCon 2018 in Miami just about a month ago. Wix invited me down to come speak. That was an awesome experience. I'm a Wix 2017 Megastar Award winner on the Wix YouTube Council. I've done all these things with Wix, and I love Wix, but I truly am sitting here telling you that there are not many downfalls or pitfalls to Wix at the moment. They've made themselves fairly invincible. My one only pitfall that I would tell you is that you host on Wix. So your hosting is done on Wix, which means you cannot take your site, you cannot take HTML files or take a full website file and go move to another platform. If you build your website on Wix, you're on Wix. You're on their servers, you're on their hosting, and that is maybe the only downfall. Personally, I don't see that as a downfall. Wix's servers are quick, they keep them updated, they keep your security up to date, so you have everything else in the back end on Wix that you need. I don't see that as a downfall. Some people, some businesses may say, well, wait a second, I want that freedom to be able to take my site files or take my site and move it to some other platform if I chose to. You cannot do that, so that'd be my only downfall. But if you decided on this workshop that you are ready to start moving forward with Wix, thank you, one, and congratulations, two. That is exciting. I'm glad to see you getting the ball rolling on your project. And what I would encourage you to do is I have taken all of my knowledge, my wealth of knowledge, turned it into extensive courses, training material, resources, and a full community of action-driven, like-minded individuals just like yourself, and that is called the Wix Training Academy. I would encourage you to go click up above on that link up in the menu and click Academy and go check out what this Wix Training Academy is all about. Guys, we are doing super special things over there. I do a monthly mastermind call where you get the opportunity to submit a personal Q&A question that I will answer on that call. So it's really a personal, intimate experience. I post content specific only to this training academy, nowhere else, not the email list, not YouTube, but specifically to this training academy membership site, and it's exclusive to you. There's tons of content already on there. I'm only adding more. I'm building out a a website roadmap for you to take you through the process of building that website. We are doing exciting things, guys, and I highly recommend you go check that out. Again, up above, click Academy in that menu above, and I will see you in the Wix Training Academy. Thank you for taking some time and spending it with me. My name is Michael Strauch. It has been an absolute pleasure getting to provide this workshop to you. Is Wix right for you? I don't know. Is it right for you? Hopefully this helped you out. Thank you guys very much. I will catch you inside the academy.